Let's try unique Coke flavors. Also disclaimer, Pepsi is better than Coke. Raspberry. Smells a bit fruity. It's not a strong taste of raspberry. It's more like they dropped a raspberry Jolly Rancher in some Coke and it just fizzled out. It's not bad, it's just not really exciting or crazy. 7.8 out of 10. Maple syrup. But I don't smell maple syrup. Oh wow. Okay, you can taste the maple syrup. Holy. It's almost like 50% maple syrup flavor and 50% classic Coke. It's a nice balance. I never really thought about drinking maple syrup as a beverage. I could picture myself drinking this for breakfast. You know, like maybe with some pancakes. 8.7 out of 10. Vanilla. Oh. Alright, I spilled like half of it. It's also 3 a.m. I don't want to clean this up right now. My pants are wet. I'm not digging the flavor. It reminds me of Dr. Pepper, which is definitely not one of my favorite drinks. It's almost on the same tier as Red Bull, where it kind of reminds me of medicine. 2.6 out of 10. Okay, last one. I don't want to sit. Everything's so sticky right now. Coke cherry. It kind of reminds me of a cherry cough drop, which is okay. Like, it's not the greatest. It's much better than Coke vanilla. 5.7 out of 10.